Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Windows 11. First, press Windows I to open Settings, or you can simply click the Windows icon on the taskbar and select Settings. Next, click on Accounts in the left-hand menu, then head over to Sign In Options. Under Ways to Sign In, you'll see several login methods. If you're using a local account, you'll see the password option. Keep in mind, if you're logged in with a Microsoft account, this password option won't appear here. Go ahead and click Password, then hit the Change button. Now, enter your current password and click Next. On the next screen, type in your new password, confirm it, and add a password hint. Once that's done, click Next. Finally, hit Finish and you're all set. You've successfully changed your Windows 11 password. Now just sign out or restart your computer to log in with your new password.